The development of technology has solved many difficulties of people in many fields. Especially woodworking inventions have brought people many amazing benefits, such as this combined machine with whole hydraulic and manual controls for processing large diameter logs. Nisula 555C with Volvo 145 and Flex 14 undercarriage. 500C is a multi-purpose harvester head equipped with grapple arms that make timber handling, sorting effortless and are a powerful alternative for later thinning and final felling of small stem stands. Wood sawing machine with 4 kW motor. Powerful saw blade with a large capacity, cutting wood extremely easy and fast. The hedge trimmer with the TH395R Kurigan bar and the Izeki TLE 3400 tractor makes trimming work easier. Hydraulic wood splitter Vacula in Matevo has tons of splitting force and a two-way splitting action. Gebruder Kramer wood chipper is suitable for various diameters and can chip the raw material into small chips. Triumph sawmill line is capable of sawing logs into convenient wooden bars. The 668C combiner is designed for small round woodworking. Industrial plant for the production of firewood makes it very convenient to process and cut many logs at the same time. Cranman Bison 10,000X Combi. This machine has perfect teamwork as it cuts trees, cleans branches, firewood splitter with light sensor, Senso Split 35. The automatic wood splitter with motor from the washing machine will surprise you with its sharp tip, but easily split the log in half. The combination of homemade wood chipper, screw wood splitter, circular saw is a great idea as it completes simple wood processing steps. Ramy C firewood processor can easily move the wood with its adjustable sawing speed and quick movement. Then it will cut the log into small pieces. Frick sawmill that can create beautiful thin wooden slates. This tractor machine is really a perfect choice when it can help you dry, neatly cut, and arrange the wooden slates. Avon's Tree Shear is an efficient and useful tree cutter. DuPont's Scorpion King H7 never let you down with its powerful tree movement and perfect tree cutting skills. Small, fast, simple controls make it simple to assemble wood into place and process it into small wooden slates. Split Force has an extremely fast cutting speed and helps you split firewood according to your wishes. The wood splitter possesses tremendous thrust that causes your giant log to split into 2 parts for 5 seconds. This portable shedding system, HL Uni 7.5, really blows you away with its ability to shred logs and transport them carefully. Profiling lines with professional wood transport rails provides complete peace of mind with wood products that are precisely measured in lengths and widths. The Axer 650K HD tree shear is built with outstanding cutting strength and durability for larger diggers and larger trees. That John Deere tractor is powered by a diesel engine with a maximum output of 130, especially with a twist drill that is easy to cut through your wood. The Eager Beaverton 1215 brush chipper is ideal for residential tree care. Magnum LT Linear Carriage 1 is well for clear bark removal. Look for sawing line with double chipper canter, quad and double vertical band saws if you want the wood to be sawn and clean. Pop's Shell Profi is really a great invention with a tractor PTO shaft, power consumption of 15 kilowatts, which can completely help you peel, grind, and split wood professionally. C-Pack Circular Apatin is an invention with a weight of 600 kilograms that can process raw logs into neat pieces of firewood in a short time. Log band mill line is the ability to give your wooden bar a better appearance with clean cuts. The Pikemaster Evo 36 is evaluated for its compact, safe, and convenient appearance when it comes to helping you handle firewood. Moving a tree root is easy when you have the Tree Spade Optimal 760 Avant 745. Invention's modern technology has really become indispensable in human life, isn't it? Please vote for your favorite machine. Thanks very much.